I just want to say thank you to everyone who spent time and their energies and their art into putting all of this together. Sa Barks, thank you so much for having this atom of an idea into now reality. Thank you so much for giving me a chance again to perform. Hindi lahat ng tao nabibigyan ng ganyan chance. So I hope I'm fulfilling that. And also for my second guests, you are the best artist, and you do the work that you do is you're doing the best in the art that you do. So I have mas actually ako nahihiya because you're at the top of your game, and I'm just parang feeling ko I'm just starting out again. So sana sabayan po ko. And my sisters, thank you so much.